What's up guys, welcome back with me Sneak Compare, and today I have another comparison video for you guys between two pairs of Nike Vapormax Plus Tropical Sunset colorway. So let's check it out. As you can see here on the first sample, you can see on the marking area here the Nike swoosh is slightly come up, it touched the stitching here, whereas on the authentic there is a little bit gap here between the stitching and the Nike swoosh. And also on the marking area, the other marking area, the circle here is not centered, it's slightly to the right, whereas on the authentic you can see here it's centered right, placed right in the middle. Another sample, still same, the Nike swoosh here is looking terrible, and this one also the Nike swoosh, and the circle here is slightly to the right, slightly come up. Moving to the inside part of the shoes, as you can see here on the right, on the fake one, the circle is not centered, slightly, this one is slightly to the left, and this one also on the fake one, the circle here is slightly come up and looking smaller than the authentic one. Looking from above here, as you can see the stitching on the marking area on the fake one here is a little bit shorter than the authentic. The authentic is all the way along here, and looking on the tongue here, the tag, as you can see on the authentic one, the Nike swoosh is yellow color, on the fake one it's just pink color, and also the insole is black. On the authentic one is pink. And another sample, still same, you can see the Nike swoosh is pink, the authentic one is yellow. Moving to the back of the shoes, as you can see here, the circle here is slightly go down, it's too close with the midsole. Another sample, still same, you can see there is a white glue stain, it's looking dirty on the fake one. And moving to the outsole here, this Nike swoosh color is different, on the authentic one is yellow, on the fake one is gray or silver here. It's looking terrible, it's totally different, and also a lot more transparent on the authentic one here than on the fake one. Alright guys, that's my explanation, now you will get it, and if you have any question just write down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video.